Let's cross over to the corridors of justice live in Milimani Law Courts, where the proceedings there. Human rights activist Okiya Omtatah is suing the National Assembly and the Speaker over the data protection bill. He says there was no consultation there. The Data Protection Act, he says there was no consultation. Therefore, he wants it suspended for now. Let's listen in. So those are consultations going on over the Data Protection Act there. Earlier on, there was a submission from Omtatah that one of the main reasons is that the act did not go to the Senate, yet it affects the counties. That's the reason why once it's suspended, court needs to hold it in abeyance and look at the challenges the Kenyans will be facing as it seeks to implement the revision of the Bill of Rights. That's the argument that the human rights lawyer is putting across. But the lawyer for National Assembly says that earlier on was arguing that it would be wrong for them to go on without hearing the preliminary objection. So in that material that Omtatah attached in his case are confidential, and if the matter goes on without hearing, then it will be going on with the case with evidence obtained illegally. So those are the counter arguments where Omtatah says it did not go to the Senate and it affects the counties. Therefore, the consultation was not done properly. The lawyers for the National Assembly say that some of the material that Omtatah obtained are illegal as it stands, and therefore they are objecting for the use of that. They say that Omtatah is guilty of other violations of the law, has to be heard. They say that it has to be heard first, as it raises substantial issues on how he has approached the court. So the application was filed on 18th of November, and court directed that the respondents be served first. So that is the situation happening right there at Milimani Law Courts. As soon as there are any more submissions, we'll take you there. What we know basically is that Okiya Omtatah wants that Data Protection Act suspended because he says there was no consultation. He says it did not go to the Senate, and yet it affects people in the counties as well. And on that note, we're taking a quick break here on Daybreak. We'll come back with a bit more news across the country on the things you need to know here and beyond. See you in a bit.